Hey guys, welcome back to the channel, and this is how to contact Uber customer service. So first thing that you will do is simply open up the Uber application into your device and make sure you are signed in into your account. From here guys, at the homepage of Uber, just simply tap on the account on the bottom right corner of the screen. And from here, you should be able to see here the help button. So just simply tap on the help tab. And from here, guys, you will have two options. You can either go for rides and delivery. So let's say I'm going for account. So from here, guys, just simply select what is your problem. So guys, from here, just simply select what is your problem. So let's say I'm gonna go for I can't sign in or request a trip. And from here, let's say I'm gonna go for I left my phone in a vehicle. Uber has a solution for you for every problem. And when this doesn't help, in order for you to contact them, as you can see, you will have here down below the information that you need to fill in and just simply provide the necessary information to fill this up and just tap on submit. Once you have done that, Uber customer service will reply to your request. So guys, it will be different on each category. So let's say I'm gonna go for I can clear a pending amount. And as you can see, we will have an instruction as well. And if we scroll down, we will have here different boxes to answer. And guys, once you have clicked on submit, Uber customer support will contact you via email or phone number, or if you provided a contact information into your submit, Uber customer support will contact you there. If this video was helpful, please like and subscribe, and thanks for watching. See ya!